How to reset YouTube recommendations. To reset the recommendations algorithm on your YouTube app, you can follow these steps applicable to both Android and iOS devices. Begin by opening the YouTube app on your Android phone, iPhone, or iPad. Locate the icon featuring a white sideways triangle on a red background and tap on it. This method works seamlessly for iPhones, iPads, Android phones, or tablets. Once within the app, proceed by tapping on your profile picture positioned in the bottom right corner. Following this, click on the Settings option represented by a gear icon located at the top right corner. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Manage All History, typically positioned around the middle of the menu. On the History tab, you will see a message keeping your history makes YouTube more personal. Click on Delete and tap on Delete All Time. The next screen will ask you to confirm your decision, then click on Delete and click OK. After that, click on Saving your YouTube history. Uncheck the sub-settings from this point and click on Pause. Following these steps will effectively reset your YouTube recommendations. If this YouTube tutorial was helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.